Hi everyone, I'm Navila Zaman and welcome back to a lesson a day. So basically in this video, I'm going to be solving nonlinear simultaneous equations. I already made a video on how to solve linear simultaneous equations. So if you haven't watched that video, the link will be given. So make sure to click that video and to watch it completely before watching this one. In today's video, we are going to be solving nonlinear simultaneous equations. And nonlinear basically means that when we plot the coordinates on a graph, the line will not be a straight line. It will be a curved one. And that is why it is called nonlinear. In linear simultaneous equations, we normally used to get one value of x and one value of y. However, in the nonlinear simultaneous equations, if the power of x is 2, then we will be getting two solutions, like two values for x and two values for y. If the power of x is cubed, that is 3, we'll be getting three solutions for x and for y. So basically this topic, this nonlinear simultaneous equations, this topic is taken from the additional mathematics O-level syllabus. So you can say that this video is like an additional maths video or something. So let's get started. Today we will be solving simultaneous equations. Ignore my handwriting, please, because I'm just like getting used to how to write digitally. Equations. All right. So let's get started. Let's start with an easy question. That is, y is equal to x squared and y is equal to x plus 6. So in the last video, we saw that we can solve like simultaneous equations in two methods. That is either the elimination method or the substitution method. So basically how this works is that in elimination, we usually like just cut a value of x and a value of y, or just these two variables. But you can see that here we have an x squared in one and an x in another one, so we cannot cut that. So we cannot use elimination method by solving non-linear simultaneous equations. So our only method to solve it is substitution. So this is used for non-linear. Of course, you can use it for linear equations as well, but in linear equations, we have to use elimination method because it's easier as well as it's faster. So how do we exactly solve this one? Let's assume that this is our first equation and this is our second equation. In the second equation, y is already our subject. So we can substitute the second equation into the first. So basically, we are substituting equation 2 in equation 1. So x plus 6, which is the second equation, is equal to x squared. Either we can write it like this, or what we can do is we can y is equal to, this is our all right, let's ignore it because that's like a more lengthier process. So let's go with this. So what I have done is that I have basically equaled, so it's like y is equal to y. The value of y in equation 2 is x plus 6, and the value of y in equation 1 is x squared. That's how I get this. So x squared is here. So x squared, I get the x from here and go to that side. So it becomes minus x and minus 6. I hope you understand this by now. So how do we middle term like break this? So 6 is like 2 into 3. So x squared minus 3x plus 2x minus 6. Do let me know if you do not know how to middle term this. Then I'll make a specific video on that because I cannot really teach that in this video. So then we just take x common from these two terms and 2 common from these two terms. And then we get x plus 2, x minus 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 2 or x is equal to 3. See how we get like two solutions from this equation. And let me take a different color. So for the values of y, when x is equal to minus 2, then y is equal to, I will be taking this equation, equation 2, that is x plus 6. So minus 2 plus 6, our value is 4. And when x is equal to 3, then y is equal to 3 plus 6, that is 9. Now, how do we exactly write this answer? What we do is we take it as coordinate. So in the first equation, it is minus 2, 4, and 3, 9. Like just how we write like x, y on like a graph. And that's how we write the answer to this one. So I really hope that you could understand this. Let me know if there's anything that there is still confusion about, and I'll try to make a separate video on that. Now let's solve another question. So now let's go on to a more difficult one. That is, let's go with, all right, this one. So our second question will be x plus 2y is equal to 7 and x squared plus y squared is equal to 10. So let's assume that this is our first equation and let's assume that this is our second equation. In our first equation, let's make x the subject. This is easier because x does not have any coefficient like y has 2 in front of it. So we can just write x is equal to 7 minus 2y. What we are going to do is we will substitute equation 1 in equation 2. So what we will do is, this is x squared plus y squared is equal to 10. Instead of x, we can write here 7 minus 2y squared plus y squared is equal to 10, right? This is the same equation, right? So how are we going to break this one? We know that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So in this case, this is a minus b whole square formula. So what we do is 7 square, a square is equal to 49 minus 2 into 2, 4 into 7, 28, 28y plus b square. So 2y square. So 2y square is 4y square plus y square is equal to 10. Then it becomes 4 plus 1 is 5y square minus 28y, 49 minus 10 is plus 39 equal to 0. So you can find a way to like middle term this, or you can just use the calculator to find the middle term. So let me see what we can do from here. That is, so basically the middle term for this will be 5y square minus 15y minus 13y. Because 5 into, let me show the workout, 5 into 39 is 195, and 195 can be written as 13 into 15. All right, so plus 39 is equal to 0. I'm continuing this from here. Let's take 5y common. So y minus 3, let's take 13 common, 13y minus 3 equal to 0. 5y minus 13, y minus 13 is equal to 0. Then y is equal to 13 minus 5. Y is equal to 3. Please do let me know if you think that I need to make a video on how to solve this type of quadratic equations. We get these two values of y, and then we have to find the value of x. So let's use a different color. So when y is equal to 13 by 5, x is equal to 7 minus 2. I'm taking this equation right here. So 7 minus, then we substitute the value of y here. We get the value minus c. It's going to be 9 by 5. And then when y is equal to 3, x is equal to 7 minus 2. Again, we substitute the value of y, that is 3. And therefore, 2 3 is 6, it comes as 1. So our answer for this question will be 9 by 5, 13 by 5, and 1, 3. So this is how basically we solve a substitute like nonlinear simultaneous equations. And please do let me know if there's like any other topic that I can make a video on so that it helps you understand the concepts better or help you prepare for exams. So I'm writing some problems that which you can solve, that you can write the answers to this in the comment section and I'll be checking them. So you can solve this equation. Xy is equal to 4, and another one is y is equal to 2x plus 2. You can solve another equation that is y square is equal to 4x. 2x plus y is equal to 4. Or I'll be giving the solutions of these two questions in our Instagram story. So if you want to check that out, you can. So stay tuned to our channel and to our Instagram and Facebook page. And I really hope that I could help you just a little bit through this video. Thank you so much.